The language of Anioma people is not Ukwuani. The language of Anioma people is not Ika. The language of Anioma people is not Oshimili. The language of Anioma people is not Aniocha. The language of Anioma people is Igbo language. You can't come and say that the language of Ondo State is Ilaje. What we say is the language of Ondo State is Yariba. Every Bia speaking language in Nigeria is called Igbo language. And that is why the language of Anioma people is Igbo language. Those Ukwuani people that are saying that Ukwuani language is not Igbo language, they are just being ignorant. Those Ika people that are also saying that Ika is not Igbo, they are suffering from ignorance. Those Oshimili and Aniocha people that are saying that their dialect is not Igbo language, they are suffering from ignorance. It's just like an Igbo person will be telling you that Igbo language is not Igbo language. That person is suffering from ignorance. The person no just get sense. There is no special way of speaking Igbo language. Person who speak Nsukka speak Igbo language. Person who speak Ikwere speak Igbo language. Person who speak Ekpe speak Igbo language. Person who speak Abakaliki speak Igbo language. Person who speak Ukwuani speak Igbo language. Person who speak Oshimili speak Igbo language. Person who speak Ika speak Igbo language. Person who speak Echie speak Igbo language. Person who speak Opobo speak Igbo language. Igbo na sunonu nonu. Igbo nation is so big. There is no way that all of us will be speaking one single dialect. Ibuzo and Ogwashuku are boundary communities. Their dialects are different. They understand each other, but they speak with different dialects. This shows that our language in Anioma determines where we belong in this country called Nigeria. Stop saying that Oshimili people don't speak Igbo language. Aniocha don't speak Igbo. Ukwuani don't speak Igbo. Ika don't speak Igbo. If you say your language is not Igbo, how come our brothers in the southeast understanding the dialects of Anioma people? Person where you are not be the same, not go feel understand your dialect, no matter how you speak. A Yariba person will never understand Ukwuani dialect. Urobo will never understand Ukwuani dialect because we are not the same people. But someone from Nsukka can understand Ukwuani dialect. Someone from Uri can understand Ukwuani dialect. If we are not one people, how come are we speaking the same language? A people that your language, culture and tradition, way of life, and many more is the same with, you and those people are one people. Nupe people are located in different states in the north. The way Nupe people in these states speak is different from the way Nupe people in another state speak, but they understand each other. It's just dialects. They're not going to say they're not be Nupe people because they're located for another state. Embracing your Igbo identity as an Ukwuani person will not wipe away your Ukwuani identity. Ika people embracing your Igbo identity will not wipe away your Ika identity. You remain Ika. It's just una just the fear, unnecessary fear. Igbo will come dominate you. Igbo will come dominate you. Dominate what? Do you know what it means by dominate? The governor of Anambra State is from Anambra. The governor of Enugu State is from Enugu. The governor of Imo State is from Imo State. The governor of Ebonyi State is from Ebonyi State. The governor of Abia State is from Abia State. So what makes you think that if we get Anioma State, that is someone from Anambra that will be our governor? Is someone from Enugu that will be our senator? How will they now dominate you? Our language will go into extinction. Our dialect will go into extinction. So you are thinking that if someone from Anambra come and invest in Ukwuani land, that Ukwuani dialect will now go into extinction and we will now start speaking their dialect. It's not possible. Remove that fear from your heart, Ukwuani. Remove that fear. We Ukwuani people, we are Igbo people. Ukwuani is the name of our dialect because That is what our geographical location is being called. Oshimili people are called Oshimili because that is what their dialect is being called. Same with Ika people, same with Aniocha people. But above all, we are all Igbo. We are Igbo people. Stop saying that you are not an Igbo person. You can't say the language of Osun State is Ile-Ife. No. Osun State have so many Yariba dialects. If you want to address them, you address them as Osun States are Yariba people. The language of Osun State is Yariba language, not Ile-Ife, not Oyo. Stop using Ukwuani dialect as a barrier to separate we Ukwuani people from our Southeast brothers. I saw the video of one Ukwuani man that he said that Ukwuani is not Igbo. He was saying that Ijaw language is Yariba language. Elaje is Yariba. Ekiti speak Yariba. Ondo speak Yariba. The man now said that, but Ukwuani is not Igbo. That Ukwuani people speak Ukwuani and not Igbo. He is uniting Yariba people based on their dialects and their language. And at the same time, he is saying that Ukwuani people don't speak Igbo language, that what we speak is Ukwuani. The reason why he's saying all those things is that he not just wants to make Ukwuani people embrace their Igbo identity. They unite another person, they divide your own. People should understand the difference between language and dialects. We Ukwuani people, we are expected to be zoned to the southeast. We are Igbo people. Same with other Igbo speaking communities in Anioma land. Let's stop using our dialect as excuse not to join the southeast if we actualize Anioma state. Stop being lazy. Accept your identity. You are expecting we Igbo speaking people, we Ukwuani people that speak Igbo language, you are expecting us to actualize Anioma state and remain in South. How are we going to grow if we remain in South? Now where we even there for Delta State, where be the 5th largest economy for Nigeria. We Anioma people, we not even know the one where we dey. We know they go front. We just stay for one place. And you want us to be in South. If we actualize Anioma State, bigger opportunities will come our way. We go get 3 senators. We go get up to 6 representatives. We go get our own governor. Everything where they follow states go follow us. And for us to succeed, it's expected of us to join our brothers in the southeast and not in the south. Those Ukwuani people that are saying that they are not Igbo people, think again. We are Igbo people. Trace your history where. Check the name of your ancestors that gave birth to your communities. That is how you know where you belong. Stop saying that you are from Bini, that you are a Bini person. Your ancestors migrated from Bini, and your ancestor is not bearing a Bini name. No ancestor in Ukwuani land is bearing a Bini name. No ancestor in Ukwuani land is bearing a Bini name. Our ancestors in Ukwuani land speak Igbo language and not Bini. We are Igbo people. Ukwuani dialect is Igbo language. Ika dialect is Igbo language. Oshimili and Aniocha dialect is Igbo language. The government of Delta State recognize we Anioma people as Igbo people. The federal government of Nigeria recognize we Anioma people as Igbo people. We are not a separate entity from the southeast. Ukwuani is not separate from Ika people. Oshimili and Aniocha is not separate from Ukwuani people. We are one people speaking different dialects. We speak one language called Igbo language. And that is why, if you like debate from now till tomorrow, say Ukwuani not speak Igbo language, you could just lose, they go. People will be seeing you as someone that don't have sense because you are saying rubbish with boldness. It's expected of we Ukwuani people to support in the Moko and make sure that Anioma state is being actualized and zoned to the southeast. In this Delta state, we Ukwuani people are the most marginalized people. I can tell you boldly that Anioma state say now we Ukwuani people suppose the champion and when we suppose they support in a Moko pass because we need it the most. Anioma people are Igbos. Igbo bofu Ishewale.